This is a new apartment that we have here. One of the new buildings that we just got in yesterday. We did a walkthrough, and they wanted us on the day of the walkthrough. They liked the way I came and presented myself, and they wanted us to take over. They said they have 60 or 70 these coming up, and this is the biggest one. So I want to show you a little bit what we got. When we do our apartments, we have a scope of worksheet that we have and we check off. And I can show y'all this just to see how detailed we are with our turns. Have your check off list. So I'm gonna show you this, and then I'm gonna walk you around though, because I'm gonna show you what I do know off the top of my head. Come on. So we would start with, make sure we get the ceiling fans. We go from the top down, ceiling fans, those right there. After we do this part here, we're gonna come in here. The kitchen will be the longest, so we're gonna start there. But we make sure we raise these up and get inside the window sash right there. Light those out as well. And you do the window inside of these right, and the windows inside of these right here. And then, of course, that. And then the blinds, you make sure the blinds are dusted. So a lot of times you don't have to do the blinds, but those right there will be dusted. Then we come in here and we will go, of course, the mirror. Then we'll get on top of the lights up there. Come down and wipe in the sink. Make sure we wipe up under all of those. But they put new cabinets in, but we still go through them. And sometimes when I go on my check, I will leave these open so people will remember, because a lot of times people may forget. Now we come in here, we'll spray the shower down and the shower wall, the glass, and clean that down. Closet, I can see down here where we have some dust on the bottom of the baseboard, so we will get those with a broom. Sometimes these do get dusty, and we will have to wipe those off. But sometimes, they paint them. On some of my apartments, they paint the dust on them, and that'd be wild. We make sure we look up there to get the vents. And I always start from the top down, because when you start from the top down, it gets everything. So we start up top, and here is just a quick sweep or a vacuum. They did the carpets yesterday. They said they was charged $1,200 for 2 rooms, 2 buildings, and I was like, wow. And he did the bonnet method. He didn't even do the extraction method. He did the bonnet method and charged them $1,200 for 2 rooms. So I think we will have the carpet cleaning as well. All right, so same thing over here, pretty much, the same thing. This one here has a tub instead of a shower. That's why he said he wanted us to do the tub so he can go cocking around there. So we'll spray this down, scrub it down real quick and get this. Wipe that down. Yep, look at you. You got me. Wipe that down. Eh? Wipe that. Yep. You got it. So in the kitchen takes the longest, because inside of the kitchen, even if the refrigerator is new, I still tell everybody to take the stuff out, because sometimes on the bottom you have like stickers and stuff on the bottom. So we'll take everything out of the refrigerator, pop the tops off the sides. Everything comes out, refrigerator gets wiped down, and then the refrigerator is pulled out. Refrigerator is pulled out of the where it is and clean and mop behind it. The stove is as well. We do this. This stove is a brand new stove, so that's gonna cut down some time, for real. So stove is brand new. Inside the washer and the dryer, we wipe out everything. I usually take these filters out, and I could put this. I clean that and I clean this out, but I use this filter here, and as I'm cleaning, I put the filter inside the dishwasher so the hot water can do whatever it does to it. I usually do that if I can do it. There we go. So I just leave it in there, because that cleans out the dishwasher too. So then I just wipe the dishwasher out. And that's what I do on my turns. Now, on this one here, we're gonna be cleaning the windows inside and out, because it's like on the floor. You can see it inside and out, so he asked that. But on the normal other buildings, we just clean the inside windows. We really don't do outside windows. And then we'll sweep, mop, and that'd be it. So here we are, number 2 of the emergency cleans that we have today. We got this new client, and as soon as we did our walkthrough, he wanted to hire us to start. So we're gonna get in here and get this thing taken care of. So let me show you some stuff. You can see inside of the
Air
vents, yeah. And then look right here. I think that might be cobwebs in the corner right there.
Yeah.
And then maybe over in this corner too. Bathroom smiler. How long do you think it'll take you to do this building? I'm talking about detail clean, coming in, 1 bedroom.
3
detail.
hours.
3 hours? Okay. Oh yeah, it might be a little long. Let me see. I gotta get that. That about, depends. It's about 30-minute clean right there. This here.
Oh, no. That's bad.
That's what we get to do. We get to take care of these type of things. And then on top of that, on top of the smoke detector.
Electrical panel.
Wow.
So I have all emergency electrical service. I can find everything.
Everything y'all paying right now is for emergencies. We're gonna get you through the emergency stage, at least for the cleaning part.
Yep.
That's y'all emergencies. But it's okay. It's good for business. Emergency sounds good for business. But